Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to organize a pencil, pen, everything bucket. So I'm going to show you what you'll need. You see those flowers there. Everything looks so nice, but you're going to organize this right here. Be right back. I'm going to show you what you will need to do this project. Penniless. Okay, so you're going to need a Ziploc bag, scissors, marker, and also you will need some towels to wipe off the bucket. And there's a trash bag, looks like a Walmart bag. So you can throw the non-working pens and broken crayons and pencils away. So we're going to get started. We're going to have to remove all this off the table so we can start our separating process. And that's what you want to do first. So everything is mixed up together. So the first thing you want to do is pick about 5 up, like I just did. Pick up about 5, lay them down, and then you can start your process. And your process is to take these and separate them. Just separate. You see dollar loans. Sometimes we need a loan. That's not happening now. It's just old stuff. So that's the process of that. And we just keep separating them. There's a pencil marker. And we keep doing it. You get the crayons. You see me get those crayons out of there. So that's what we're doing on that part. So the separation, once you separate, you can see what needs to be thrown away and what needs to be kept. That's why we have this bag here on the side, this bag right here, Walmart bag. This is for last if it's a whole lot, but we don't. So we have our bag there. And what we're going to do with our bag, we had to have our bag open and ready so the pencil and pens or whatever we don't want, we can throw it away right away instead of making a big pile. Something might leak somewhere. So we're in the process of that now, and then we're going to separate a whole bucket, putting them in the trash, putting crayons with crayons, pens with pens, and so on and so forth. Hope you're enjoying this. Go ahead and give me a nice comment or thumbs up or say, hey, I like that idea. These are your pencils and pens. That's all we're working on today with organizing with Regina. So our preparation for setting them and separating is going pretty well. We're putting the pens over here. And if you notice, over here in the bag, we already threw some things away that didn't have tops. So we're going to put this over here with the colored pencils. And that'll work just fine too. We're going to continue that till the whole bucket is done. So some of you might have started your process with me. I'm still going. You see, we still have a lot to do. And this is supposed to relax you. You hear the music in the background. I don't have a right to that smooth jazz sound. And I just wanted you to know that before I continue on with our organized living in our, organizing our pencil and pen bucket. So have fun with it. We're going to continue on. As you see the video, I'm just taking a little bit at a time. You can take like 1, 2, 3, pick it up and find the place where it belongs. So this goes here. And you see this here. Since it doesn't have a top and I don't feel like looking for it, and it probably doesn't write. One thing I forgot to tell you, have a piece of paper there so you won't be throwing away pens and markers that write. Okay, you might find the top later. Okay, so I'm going to lay it over here in this bag, lay it there, and we're going to continue our process. So if you notice, I had to arrange and push down some of these so I can have more room. You see the towel on the side because something had, if something leaks or something like that. So we're going to go ahead and continue our process. And if you don't want to do it all in one day, you don't have to. You can do half at a time. You might pull out and say, I just want to do 20 pens today and pencils combined together. And that's your choice. The main thing in this is to have fun and meditate and listen to the music. It takes away the stress and you won't have to be depressed over everything that's going on around the world. So I'm continuing to take maybe about 3 at a time. And that's all I'm doing, like 3, 5, 4 or 5. You really get into it when you get 5. And you just put them where they belong. Somebody help me with this one. Where's my pens? My pens are, I had to put them way over here. And then we'll put the markers here. Even if it's highlighters, we have another, looks like a pen, which will go way over here. It's okay. Don't mind my hands, y'all. Don't mind mine. No, the nail shops ain't open. I don't go to the nail shop anyway. I just mostly do whatever I can when it's time. If I got to go somewhere, I'll go on some. Oh, look what we got here. This one right here. This is a pen. Let's move it over there. Over there. Okay, have fun. Continue. Hear the music in the background. Don't have a right to that lovely sound. I just thought you would enjoy it as we clean out our pen, pencil, and color crayon bucket. So continue to organize. It's so much fun. Music on in the background. And you're just feeling that bubbling in you, and we still got ways to go, but why don't you show me a picture or send a video to me so I can see what yours look like. Now I'm going to tell you this, the table is filling up, so what we're going to have to do is get the Ziploc bag. We're going to have to get that, and let's see here, we have a lot of crayons going on, so what we're going to do is put